This is what we're gonna be unboxing. Hello. Got a fetish for my love. What is my hair doing? Does this make it better? Ooh, I made it way worse. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I hate my hair, but if I didn't make a video every time I hated my hair, I would never make a video. Do we hear that? It's like a monsoon outside. It's like Florida rain, where it's sunny and then pouring rain. But bad hair isn't gonna stop us from making my first ever one of these videos. I watch these videos all the time and I've always wanted to make one, but I was so scared of it coming off like, look what I have. But I just love these videos because you get to see like initial reactions of like people opening what's inside the box, and you don't know what's inside the box, so it's almost like a mystery box, but it's also kind of like a haul, and you get to see what's new in the store. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway because I feel kind of rude showing all this stuff that I got for free and then not giving some of it away to you guys. Stay around for the end of the video because I will let you know the details on that. Can you guys see Boo Boo? She just left the view. P.S. Welcome to my bedroom. I've lived here for a year and I've never shown my bedroom because I normally have another room to film, but because I have so many boxes, my other room won't work space-wise, so let me just show you what I got. This is what we're gonna be unboxing. Hello. Let's hop into unboxing number 1. I don't know who this is from. I don't recognize the from name, and it's from a PR company, so I don't know what brand it is. So this is like a total mystery. I have no idea what this is. Open. Oh, what is this? And here is what is inside. I've never heard of this company. I guess it's called I Do Care. Do as in like a dewy mist. And it is a Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. Really cool. Packaging's really cute. Excited to try this. Next box is from Urban Decay. All right. Do it. Ooh. What is this? All right. It is, I haven't heard of this. Back Talk, a monochromatic face and eye palette. And it looks like they're all kind of like mauve-y, so a little bit more than what like the Naked palette would be. Kind of like rose colors, a lot of warm stuff. It looks like a beautiful palette. It looks pretty thick too. So they're giving us like blushes. Ooh, that's weird. That's very weird. They're giving us like blushes and then I'm guessing, yeah, highlighters with matching eyeshadows so you can get a monochromatic look, which I love. I love a good monochromatic look. I love putting like a cheek stain on my lips. So into this. Comes with a Vice matching lipstick in Back Talk. And I guess it also comes with eyeliners that follow the same color scheme so you can get that monochromatic look. There is 0 in here, which I do have and I love. Since I already have it, let's throw this in our building giveaway pile. Next package is from Kevin Aquan, a nice little gold envelope. I really love Kevin Aquan. I feel like a lot of people don't really talk about them. Like they're not super big on social media. At least that's like my initial impression. Dear Brittany, prime, highlight, and hydrate with the first ever tri-phase liquid highlighting oil. Let's see. Oh, whoa, okay. It's beautiful. It's like a little light pink with a gold lid. I wonder what it smells like. Ooh, drops out fast, drops out quickly. It's like in between old lady and teenager floral, slightly floral scent. I guess it's nice. It's not what I'm used to in beauty products. It actually is pretty fragrant. It does actually feel really nice on the skin. Excited to try him out. Yeah, very strong scent. Next up, we have a Goodbye Bread. If you haven't heard of Goodbye Bread, they are a clothing company, kind of along the lines they're closest to Dolls Kill. Gotta read the envelope first. Can't be rude. Roses are red, violets are blue, everything sucks except for you. You are the coolest. We fucking love you. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. I totally thought maybe there was going to be a coupon code for you guys in there. I'll ask them if they have one for me, and if they do, I'll put it in the video description. No, I do not make commission. If I ever have a coupon code, I like to share it with you guys. First up, we got this cute little crop top. It does seem a little big for an extra small. Looks more like a small for a crop top, but I will definitely give this a go. But don't knock it till you try it on. Maybe it fits. Maybe my eyeball's off. Second, from Goodbye Bread, they did a collaboration with another YouTuber, Instagrammer, Naomi Frost. I think that's how you say her name. I'm pretty sure she's Russian, living in UK. I could be wrong, but she's like the girl that's fully tatted up. These shorts are kind of like a tight spandexy biker short, but like the knee length ones with some signature little X's there. I think our whole collection has those little X's, and I got them in a size small. Good stretch. I feel like they'll fit. I feel like they might. Next, we got another package from Urban Decay. I wonder why they sent 2 different ones in the same week. Please do not open packages how I open them, by the way. It's very dangerous. Damn. Okay. I did not realize I got this in the mail. So this is the full collection of the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses. So I actually went to the launch party like 4 days ago for this collection, and they probably sent this before, and I was meant to like try it out before I went to the launch party, but bad timing because I was planning on filming this video and I wanted to collect packages for a week, so it was like enough substantial stuff to actually watch. But they gave me like 6 of these lip glosses. I don't know off the top of my head which ones, but let's add those to the giveaway. So now it's up to 6 Urban Decay lip glosses and 0 eyeliner. And 0 eyeliner is in the color 0, not like no eyeliner. P.S. The whole point also of like unboxing this with you guys is if anything catches your eye and you want me to make like, say, a full swatch video of all those glosses, or you want me to do like an in-depth review of the holographic mask that I've never heard of, let me know in the comments down below. That way I know what stuff you want to see. Alright, this box is from Goody, which I've never received a package from them before. I believe they're the hair tie company. Okay, that was big packaging for what's inside. It looks like it's for their new Ouchless Forever hair ties, which are kind of like the wavy brow trend. But I got 2, so I will try one out, see if it's any good, and let's add this to the giveaway. Who is this from? Oh, Sally Beauty. Okay, I don't think I've got a package from Sally Beauty before. Oh, is it Easter? It says Happy Easter. Isn't it St. Patrick's Day tomorrow? It's a little Easter box. Okay, we have like a bunch of different things. There's this wannabe beauty blender. I've never heard of Face Secrets. We got Ion leave-in conditioning spray, beach head tropical texture for beachy body, salt spray. Maybe. Wait, how do I open you? There. It smells like diapers. Like if I walked into a room where like a baby changing table was and a baby just had its diaper changed. A tinted lip balm, About the Pout collab. Alright, that does not excite me. But candy does! Oh my god. I am such a little kid. I'm gonna eat this. Yeah. And we got a lavender nail polish. Finger paint nail polish and pastel vibes. It's a pretty cute color. It's not really my vibe. I don't really love pastels that much, even though my hair's pastel. Pastel hair I love, but like pastel colors in general don't excite me. Next, we got a package from Benefit. Okay, it says, the search is on. Do you have what it takes to win $50,000? Probably not, but I'm guessing one of you guys do. They sent over a bunch of their brow products, and I love Benefit brow products. I own almost all of them just by myself. I am actually out of my brow pencils in both Precisely My Brow, Goof Proof Brow Pencil. But the rest of these guys I have, and some of them I even have backups for. So let's add these to the giveaway. Let's make this like a super bomb ass giveaway. So we have the Benefit Highbrow Pencil in the natural looking finish. I think they make two, a glowing and a natural. 24-hour brow setter. The Browsings in shade 4. 3D brow tones. Ka-Brow in shade 3. And Foolproof brow powder in shade 3. So now we are getting the giveaway good and set. Next, I believe this package is from MAC. It doesn't say MAC, but I think I recognize this PR company. People always do big packages, and then I feel like this may have been able to fit in a smaller package, but that's okay. What are these? Ooh, liquid lash liners? I haven't used these in so long. What a cool color. All right, ooh, my hair, I apologize. This is Late Night, and it's like a really cool army green. It looks black, but it is definitely a very dark green. Next, we got Keeping It Current. Really nice, like a little mauve-y. Next, we got Misty Me, which is a metallic silver. Oh, wow, okay. I was not expecting... I saw the name was Blew Me Over, and I was expecting like a dark navy because of the color scheme already, but this is like a mermaid blue. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, last we have this huge package that is from Pixi. Have no idea what's in it. Wow, they really tape this shut. I'm opening this upside down. This is what, oh my gosh, was inside. Oh, it looks like a collab with 3 YouTubers. Oh, it's Chloe, it's Dolce, and it's Wiley. And here is what is inside. I really love Chloe. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube, and I just think she's the cutest. So I'm gonna try the lip icing, which is the only lip product. This looks so cute. Good for her. So here is the packaging. It's pretty much the signature Pixi packaging, the little pastel mint green. It's pretty basic packaging. It's not my favorite packaging, but the color looks really nice. Wait, I don't have a mirror. Let's give it a little go. I already have a lot of stuff on my lips. I have like lip liner smudged out to kind of look like a bitten lip, and then I have Too Faced melted clear lip gloss. Is that what it's called? Melted? I don't know. So we're not gonna get the true thing, but I can't. Ooh. Okay. This is actually a really pretty gloss. And I'm not just saying that because I think Chloe's super cute. But it kind of reminds me, I just bought the Rihanna Fenty gloss, Universal gloss. And while in the packaging, it doesn't look anything like the Fenty gloss, on the lips, it has like that same like really juicy, nice gloss effect. It's not sticky at all. This is good. I don't want to make this video like an hour long. So if you guys want an in-depth review again on that, let me know. If not, this gloss is the winner of that collection in my eyes without even trying anything else. Ooh, let me grab the glosses really quick for the giveaway. So, as I was saying, this is what I got at the Urban Decay launch party for their glosses. We had like it was 90s themed, so we had like a graffiti artist who was doing spray painting on hats. This is my dog's name, Riot. Woo! Come on. No, she gives no fucks. And obviously I have not like touched these, opened these, swatched these, because actually I did this one. Now I think I did the night I got home. I was a little tipsy. The drinks were very strong at that party. That was not my agenda to get tipsy there. But I swatched Midnight Cowgirl, so I don't want cooties or anything. I mean I'm safe, but I know you guys, my cooties are fine. But just in case, let's stick with these 4 hi-fi lip glosses. We got Candy Flip, which this one is so pretty. My friend came with me to the party, and she has opened this one, swatched it, worn it. It looks so good. I think this would be pretty on anyone. And then we got Shadow Heart, which is like a kind of like a deep neutral brown. We have Bang, which is like a muted coral. And we have Naked, which is kind of like a dirty mauve. To round out the giveaway, this is everything. All you have to do to enter. So this photo right here will be on my Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in the video description. So just go to this photo, and I don't want to be like, you have to follow me. So you don't have to follow me. That's not part of the rules. If you want to, then do, because I'd love to do more giveaways. And also I'm going to notify the winner on Instagram. So actually you might need to be following me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that. The glasses getting caught in my hair. All I'm going to make you guys do to enter is leave a comment on the Instagram photo about the person above you. And I want you to just go to their profile, even if it's private, just look at like their icon or something and say something nice about the person before you. If you happen to be the first person that comments, just say something nice about yourself. It's that simple. I just want to kind of like spread and share positivity. You can say whatever you want. Don't have it be about me. Have it be about the person above you. I will pick the winner a week from this video being posted, and I will message the winner on Instagram DM. So make sure you check it out. If somebody happens to not get back to me in 48 hours, I will pick a new winner, and I will also post on my Instagram stories about the winner so everyone knows that somebody actually won. And I think that wraps everything up. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos, then give it a like. If you don't like these kind of videos, then give it a dislike. I appreciate the feedback nevertheless. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!